boat 3 miles.
I agree with you. I agree due to the fact it would take a long time to get the books there, and I would be kind of miserable, but for me to wait that long for the books to arrive, and I really want to learn.
3 miles every day. So, and it takes sometimes even longer because they have to drop the books off at other islands or villages.
I
Yes.
could make a connection with you because in my group, it also takes days for the books to come.
Well, the country, they have to go, the elephants that they're making them go to 37 different villages, and the elephants get tired and they have to stop constantly.
Who's next? Vitali.
In my house, it is hard because they have to ride on bicycles to deliver the books to each house in the village.
That would be hard because what if the bicycle doesn't fit all the books? And what would happen?